Hi, I'm Giselle with Yancey Home Improvements. You've probably heard the word warranty thrown around in every roofing estimate. But here's the truth. Not all warranties actually protect you. Today, we're gonna break down what real coverage looks like and how to tell when a warranty is just a sales pitch. A lot of companies offer what they call a warranty, but when you read the fine print, it only covers materials. That means that the install was done wrong, you're still on the hook. Some roofing contractors don't even register your warranty with the manufacturer. So if that contractor disappears, guess what? So does your warranty. At Yancey, we're a certified GAF Master Elite contractor. That means we're able to offer GAF's strongest warranties, covering materials and installation. Backed by a company that's been around over 135 years. GAF doesn't just hand these out. Less than 2% of roofing contractors in North America qualify. It's based on training, quality, and trust. A warranty is only as strong as the name behind it. You want one that's honored, not just there for the year, but 10, 20, and even 30 years from now. With Yancey and GAF, you're getting more than just a roof. You're getting protection for the long haul, backed by generations of trust. I'm Giselle, and thanks for watching Buyer Beware Roofing Red Flags, our first series. We'll see you next time.